Mastering function calls, Claude and Python explained. Dive into the art of function calls in Python and Claude, honing your skills in optimizing code efficiency and readability. Master advanced techniques for impactful software development.
Welcome to our deep dive into mastering function calls with Python and Claude. Did you know that the way you handle function calls can dramatically affect your code's performance and readability? Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding these nuances is crucial. Today, we'll explore basic syntax, delve into the innovative approach Claude offers, and examine best practices for positional and keyword arguments. By the end of this session, you'll be equipped to enhance your projects with advanced calling techniques and integrate AI capabilities for smarter solutions. Let's get started.
In this segment, we'll explore the basic syntax of function calls in Python. At its core, a function call is a request to execute a set of operations defined within a function. This starts with defining a function using the def keyword, followed by a unique function name and parameters in parentheses. For example, def my_function param1, param2. Inside the function, we write the code that performs the intended operations. Calling a function is as simple as writing its name followed by parentheses, like my_function arg1, arg2. However, there are common pitfalls to avoid, such as mismatching argument types or forgetting to call a function. Understanding these basics sets a solid foundation for exploring more advanced techniques. Enter Claude, an innovative AI perspective that revolutionizes how we approach function calls. Claude introduces a layer of intelligence, enabling more dynamic and efficient code execution. Unlike traditional methods that rely solely on predefined inputs, Claude can analyze patterns and optimize function calls in real time. This AI-driven approach not only enhances efficiency but also encourages creative problem solving. By leveraging Claude's capabilities, developers can integrate predictive insights directly into their code, leading to smarter and more adaptable solutions. To get started with Claude, you'll need to familiarize yourself with its AI framework and understand how it can seamlessly integrate into your existing Python projects.
Next up, we delve into positional and keyword arguments, two essential aspects of Python function calls. Positional arguments are the most straightforward, where the order of arguments in the function call matches the order of parameters in the function definition. Keyword arguments, on the other hand, allow you to specify arguments by their parameter names, making the function call more readable. For instance, my_function param1 equals value 1, param2 equals value 2. Best practices suggest using keyword arguments when you have many parameters, as this improves clarity and reduces the chance of errors. Mixing both types requires careful handling to avoid conflicts. By mastering these techniques, you can make your functions more flexible and intuitive.
Default parameter values are a powerful feature in Python that can greatly simplify function calls. By assigning default values to parameters, you create functions that are more versatile and easier to use. This means that if no argument is provided for a parameter, the function uses the default value, ensuring consistent behavior. For example, def greetName equals world allows calling greet without arguments, defaulting to hello, world. However, caution is needed to avoid unintended side effects, especially with mutable default values like lists or dictionaries. Understanding and using default parameter values effectively can streamline your code and enhance its functionality.
To maximize the flexibility of your functions, Python offers args and kwargs. These special symbols allow you to handle an arbitrary number of positional and keyword arguments, respectively. With args, you can pass a variable number of non-keyword arguments to a function. Similarly, kwargs lets you pass keyword arguments that vary in number. This is particularly useful in scenarios where function inputs are not fixed. For example, def my_func args, kwargs, enables calling my_func 1, 2, 3, a equals x, b equals y. While powerful, these features require careful handling to avoid confusion and errors. By leveraging args and kwargs, you can make your functions more adaptable and robust.
Integrating Claude's AI capabilities into Python functions can revolutionize your coding approach. Claude's AI offers predictive insights, enabling smarter function calls that adapt to changing data patterns. By integrating AI, you can automate decision-making processes within your code, improving efficiency and reducing manual intervention. For instance, Claude can analyze past data to predict the most efficient function call patterns, enhancing performance. Implementing this requires understanding Claude's API and how to embed AI logic within your Python functions. Real-world applications range from adaptive algorithms in financial systems to intelligent user interfaces. By harnessing Claude's AI, you elevate your projects to a new level of sophistication. Error handling is a critical aspect of managing complex function calls. Common issues such as incorrect argument types or unexpected inputs can disrupt function execution. Python offers robust mechanisms like try-except blocks to gracefully handle such errors. By wrapping function calls within try-except blocks, you can catch exceptions and define fallback behaviors, ensuring your code remains reliable. For example, try my underscore function except exception is e, handle underscore error e. This approach not only prevents crashes but also provides informative feedback for debugging. Understanding and implementing effective error handling strategies enhances the robustness and user experience of your applications. To wrap up, let's explore practical examples of function call applications in real-world scenarios. From optimizing financial algorithms to enhancing user experiences in tech products, function calls play a pivotal role. In the healthcare industry, for example, function calls can streamline data analysis processes, improving patient outcomes. In tech, they enable dynamic user interfaces that adapt to user inputs in real time. By understanding and applying advanced function call techniques, you can optimize code, reduce processing times, and innovate solutions across various fields. These examples illustrate the transformative power of mastering function calls in Python and Claude.
Congratulations on reaching the end of our journey into mastering function calls with Python and Claude. We've covered essential aspects, from basic syntax to integrating AI capabilities. Remember, continuous learning and practice are key to honing these skills. Apply what you've learned in real projects to experience the transformative power of efficient function calls. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below with your experiences or questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Join us next time as we explore new horizons in software development.